Look at how the hurricane tore the bridge in half.
Absolutely, there we go. What do you want to say? Lauderdale-by-the-Sea is known as the South Florida diving capital. And Lauderdale-by-the-Sea. This is Lauderdale-by-the-Sea right now behind me, and we're gonna go tour around and show you a little bit so you have an idea what is Lauderdale-by-the-Sea, what you can do. Friday night. You're welcome.
You want to talk to me, do you?
Absolutely, there we go. What do you want to say?
Who are we talking to?
We're talking to my audience on YouTube. I do travel videos around the world.
Oh, I'm not on a TV show?
You can be soon, you never know.
Lauderdale-by-the-Sea.
You visiting?
Yes, best restaurant right there, Vinny's.
Where are you from?
We live here now,
Where did you move from?
from New Jersey.
There we go. We have New Jersey in the house.
We're here 2 years now.
That's great. We like it.
All right, you have a great time.
Thank you.
care,
Enjoy.
my friend.
Thank you. As you see here, people very friendly. Everybody's so nice, very friendly. Yeah, because the weather is great, so everybody's so friendly. But if you go up north, like more colder weather, people can be a little bit more edgy because of the weather, I assume, you know. So yeah, I mean, it's a great, gorgeous vibe. Like you see here behind me, everybody relaxing. So Lauderdale-by-the-Sea, known as the South Florida diving capital, we have a diving site like 100 yards of shore, and we have the SS Copenhagen shipwreck, and it's just 100 yards of shore, very close. So it's a Florida archaeological preserve, and yeah, you can come here and just 100 yards, and you can go and dive. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see the whole ship down there still till today. And yeah, it's very big attraction here in South Florida, especially in Lauderdale-by-the-Sea. Hey, here we go. Hi. You visiting? Where are you from?
Ohio.
Ohio. Here we go. We have Ohio in the house.
This is my buddy.
Oh, thank you. Have a good day. So as you see, guys, everybody here is so friendly. You know, walking around, people just like, you know, talking to me. I like that. You know, that's why we love Florida, because people here happier, definitely happier. I'm sorry, other states, but people here are happier. So what else I can say about Lauderdale-by-the-Sea? Not so much really. It's a beautiful spot, and if you're visiting Fort Lauderdale, you definitely want to come here. I mean, look behind me. Every spot here, it's packed. Friday, Saturday, here is crazy. You cannot even maybe find a parking because it's so busy. But it's beautiful. I tell you, it's a beautiful vibe here. Tons of restaurants, tons of boutique, and you will love it. You will have absolutely great time. And yeah, it's family oriented, which means if you have your kids, totally fine. You can bring your kids, no problem. If you don't have kids, totally fine. But yeah, just trying to mention for people who has a family like kids, if you want to come here, it's absolutely ideal spot to come here and look the $1 million view here behind me. Look at this guy. Look at this. Hold a second. Be patient. Look at that. This is the paradise. That's why we come to Florida, because it's the paradise of the United States. And maybe up in New York they're freezing right now, and here look, we are like 81 degrees tonight. I know, it's crazy, isn't it? So beautiful. And this is the winter here. And if you notice England Pier, you just notice here in the video, it's like split. It has a big wreck in the middle because 2022 there is a Nicole hurricane hit the area, and yes, it made a big damage for the pier, and still today not fixed. After a long day, I deserve ice cream.
Dear viewers, we've come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.